Let's take a look at the chart action for ADA. All right, so here's what I'm looking at. We had a target of 151. We came down, hit that target, and we got a bounce. Let's go ahead and just delete everything because there's only a couple things that we're really going to focus on. We have this resistance and resistance and resistance. Let's do a trend line going to the downside like this. I think until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then it's going to be pushing us down and giving us resistance. So what the target that I'm looking at now and that I was talked about in my last video, if we continue to head down and we don't break up right now, what I'll be looking at is this target of around 1.12, 110. There's a lot of support in this area right here. So what I'm thinking is doing a limit order somewhere around here at around maybe 110, 1.12. Every time we came into this level, we're getting support down here. So I think that's a pretty good area if we continue to head down. Like I said, the main thing I'm watching is this downtrend. We haven't broke it going to the upside yet. So I'm kind of wondering if we're going to keep going down and hit this second target that I was looking at in my last video. In general though, I think we have this resistance and this resistance. We have another downtrend. We have another downtrend, something like this. And until we break both of these trend lines going to the upside, then I'm going to assume that we're going to be kind of trading in this area right here possibly. I'm curious if that 151 target is going to hold support and we're going to get a bounce out of here, or if we're going to break through that level right there. I would say probably watch that 154, 151 area. If we start pushing down, then I think we're going to start heading to this level in general. But like I said, until we break this one going to the upside, I don't know. I'm kind of skeptical and I'm going to kind of think maybe we're going to come down here, possibly. Let me know what you guys think.